Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to see if your PC might be infected with malware, and how to take action if it is. Let's get started. First, we'll use a built-in Windows tool. Right-click the Start menu and select Run. In the box that pops up, type MRT and hit OK. This opens the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Once it launches, click Next. You'll need to pick a scan type. Quick Scan is perfect if you're short on time. It checks the most common places where malware hides. Full Scan digs deep and scans your entire system, which can take a few hours, but it's the best choice if your PC has been acting strangely. For now, let's go with Quick Scan. If it finds anything suspicious, it will prompt you to run a full scan afterward. The Quick Scan usually only takes a few minutes, and if any threats are found, the tool will automatically remove them and show you the results. Next, we'll check for any unknown user accounts. Open the Run dialog again, type netpolwiz, and press Enter. This opens the User Accounts window, where you'll see all profiles on your system. If you spot any accounts you don't recognize, that's a warning sign. Select the suspicious account and click Remove to block unauthorized access. Finally, let's make sure nothing shady is running at startup. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab on the left. Click the status column to sort apps by whether they're enabled. Take a careful look at the list. If you see apps you don't recognize or didn't install, right-click and disable them. This prevents them from running automatically and helps reduce the risk of malware quietly operating in the background. And that's it. Following these steps gives you a quick way to check your PC, remove suspicious accounts, and stop unwanted programs from running.